To recycle wrap into new roadway surfaces as an eco-friendly alternative, the material must be processed into a more uniform product. First, the material is screened to remove foreign matter. Then, the remaining aggregate is crushed into smaller particles, often broken down from larger blocks sourced from a job site. Next, the aggregate is fractionated to separate the material into lots based on particle size such as coarse, medium, and fine. Finally, the material is homogenized to ensure the wrap used from a particular pile has consistent attributes to allow for better quality control and more uniform incoming raw material in the final mix.